The world is filled with incredible discoveries, yet some of the most baffling ones have left scientists completely stumped. Here are 5 unbelievable discoveries beyond science. 5. The mystery of our anus and why we have big butts. It's not a question most of us ask every day, but once you start thinking about it, it's a head-scratcher. As The Atlantic's Catherine Wu pointed out, the evolution of the anus was a pretty big deal in the animal kingdom. Before it showed up, animals had to eat and excrete through the same opening. The appearance of the anus allowed animals to evolve into larger, more complex shapes. But here's the kicker. Scientists still don't know which creature developed the anus first or exactly when it happened. And since soft tissue like this doesn't fossilize, it's a tough mystery to crack. 4. What's hiding in the ocean's mysterious twilight zone? As you dive deeper into the ocean, sunlight starts to vanish. About 200 meters or 650 foot down, you enter the twilight zone, a region where sunlight barely reaches and our knowledge grows murky too. According to Anne Lavery from the Woods Hole Oceanographic Institution, we know so little about this mysterious part of the ocean that it's easier to define it by what we don't know. What we do know is that this region plays a critical role. Some experts believe there may be more fish living in the twilight zone than in all other parts of the ocean combined. Plus, these deep-sea creatures are thought to play a huge role in regulating our climate, but we'll get to that a bit later. 3. The puzzling world of quantum entanglement. Quantum entanglement might sound like something from a sci-fi movie, but it's actually real, and scientists are still scratching their heads over it. Basically, it's when 2 particles are so closely linked that even if they're light years apart, what happens to one instantly affects the other. It's one of those phenomena that totally breaks our understanding of time and space. And here's where it gets even weirder. Researchers now think black holes could be entangled, potentially connecting them through wormholes. Some even suggest that space, time, and gravity could all be part of one huge quantum network. 2. What will animals look like in the future? Trying to predict the future of evolution is tricky, but that doesn't stop scientists from imagining what animals might look like millions of years from now. According to Liz Alter, an evolutionary biologist, it's important to consider how humans are changing the environment today. With climate change, urbanization, and other human impacts, the future of animal life on Earth is bound to take some unexpected twists. While we can't be sure exactly what creatures will roam the planet, thinking about it gives us a fascinating glimpse into the unknown. 1. The mystery of time itself. We all deal with time every day, but how much do we really know about it? There are plenty of theories, but the big question is still unanswered. What is time really? Is it something we've just made up to track our days, or does it have a deeper role in the universe? And why does it only move forward? Could it ever run backward? We know how to move forward in time. Just wait a year or 2. But sending messages to the past? That still sounds like science fiction. Some scientists think time might be tied to game theory or something called cellular automata. But for now, it remains one of the biggest puzzles in science. And that's a wrap. Watch our more videos for more facts.